The place you call home may be slowly destroying you, and you have no idea. The EPA confirms indoor air is 2 to 5 times more toxic than the air outside every single day. Radon gas rises silently through your floors, and it is the #1 cause of lung cancer in non-smokers. Carbon monoxide from a faulty heater feels like the flu until it quietly shuts your organs down. Jung said, "What we cannot see controls us most." Your home's hidden threats live in exactly that blind spot. Mold in damp walls sends microscopic spores into children's lungs. A 2-year-old in England died because of it. Your cleaning sprays release chemicals that damage lungs as badly as smoking 20 cigarettes a day. And clutter? Science proves it floods your body with cortisol, keeping you in a permanent state of quiet stress. Old homes built before 1978 still hold lead paint, and it's invisible. Dust permanently lowers children's IQ. But here is the truth: every single one of these threats can be detected, neutralized, and eliminated. Test for radon. Install CO alarms. Control humidity, declutter, open windows. These steps save lives. If your home affects your body this deeply, wait until you see what it does to your mind. Watch next.